Hi there, welcome to High5 Education. Join and excel with us. Let's talk about a topic sentence. A topic sentence states the main or central idea of a paragraph. The rest of the paragraph provides evidence and analysis to help support or prove this idea. When writing, be sure to craft a topic sentence that accurately synthesizes what the paragraph is about. It should not be too broad, too narrow, or off-topic. Learn with an example. Review the details below. Add a 5 to 8 centimeter layer of decayed leaves and manure to improve the quality of the soil. Choose vegetables that are suited to the climate, consult the seed packet for planting instructions, and water seedlings daily. Plant vegetables in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. Choose the best topic sentence to introduce a paragraph containing these details. Most soil is not nourishing enough to support seedlings, but there are ways to improve it. Plan your vegetable garden so that plants will receive adequate sunlight and water. To create a thriving vegetable garden, try to ensure optimal conditions for your plants. First, decide what the details have in common. In this case, they are all guidelines for providing plants with the proper growing conditions. The topic sentence that best introduces these details is, to create a thriving vegetable garden, try to ensure optimal conditions for your plants. It accurately reflects the paragraph's focus, and it is supported by each of the details. Try this. Camp with a friend and become familiar with the locations of nearby telephones and ranger stations. Research the weather conditions forecasted for your camping destination. Leave an itinerary for your trip, including your return date, with a trustworthy person. Choose the best topic sentence to introduce a paragraph containing these details. As you plan a camping trip, you can take a few simple measures to help prepare for emergencies. Although most campers are unlikely to encounter problems, it's a good idea for you to have an itinerary for your trip. A good camping supply store will be able to assist you in finding any gear you need to prepare for an upcoming camping trip. High five, keep learning. See you in the next learning video. Thank you for watching. We truly love you all. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Leave a comment and share it to make it viral. Let's spread learning everywhere.